Hey there, it's David Chinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip, which you're getting your home ready for winter, is to either have your humidifier serviced or install one. So if you don't have a humidifier, I highly recommend you add one today, and that's what this home tip is all about. So why do you need a humidifier in your home? Well, your home's humidity should be between 35 and 55% in the wintertime when you put on, at any time. When the furnace is on, it obviously dries out your home. So this also makes the whole home feel a little bit uncomfortable. That's why you always get that dryness. If you don't have a humidifier, the air gets really dry, your throat gets dry, your nose starts to get nosebleeds, and it just makes you feel uncomfortable all around. So yeah, adding humidity will help alleviate those issues. The other thing is that your furnace doesn't have to work as hard when there's humidity in the air because the moisture helps retain the heat. So you're gonna save money in the long run. And then finally, if you have hardwood floors, and especially if you just added new hardwood floors to your home, you are gonna need to keep your humidity between that 35-55% to keep your warranty. A dry home really causes a lot of the hardwood to shrink and to crack. And again, if you just installed your hardwood and you don't have the humidity at a certain percentage and you find that your hardwood is starting to crack and cause issues, maybe starting to bubble up a little bit, you will void your warranty. So yeah, service your humidifier today or add one to your HVAC. Have a great day. Bye for now.